Hi guys, today I'm going to do the trade recap for the instrument that I traded. Here's the Google stock. Google rose pre-market around 5%, and I wasn't expecting it to go far more than that. And like this was the resistance zone, and so I'm talking about this one, 116. Just a second. I'll just use the. And I was expecting it to short around here, but the thing was, there was momentum in the price, so that took it around here. Even though like this is the pitchfork, that's the price. I had a firm belief that the price would fall after hitting this line in the pitchfork because I drew the trends. I'll just show you like how I drew it. It was the daily pitchfork. Just a second. I'll just clear it off. I'll just remove the indicator so that you could see clearly. This is the pitchfork that I have. Sorry for the voice. I'm having a little bit of trouble with my throat. So this was the pitch fact that I draw, and price was approaching right to that. So I thought of doing having a short trade. I took the entry around here at this level, and I placed the stop loss just above this. But unfortunately, my stop loss got hit. I placed it at 118.25, and the price went to a little bit more than that, you know, and my stop loss got hit. So this was the first trade, and I lost money on that. And like if you look around the this one, like 30 minute, like let's move to 30 minute. Like this the price just made a wick, didn't went over that. It was a wick that was made on the 30 minute. So then I thought of mm, maybe going it again, give it a second try. Maybe this time it will play around the way I want. So then I thought of having this as the target. Like I just entered the market order around here, like 118.30. Yeah, that was the one. And I placed the stop loss just above the top of like 118.50 was my stop loss. And as you could see, the price exactly fall up to 117. So it was a win. It was a great trade. Like it wasn't a big, stop loss you could say. Like it was just a 20-cent stop loss to earn more than $1, like $1.25. Like the risk to reward ratio was great in this one, 1 to 6. So, but I lost the other trade, so I had to think it that way, just to some at a good note. And the other trade that I took was the SPX 500 here to explain you about that. And this is the one that I traded. So this was the pitchfork that I drew. Like I think yeah, yeah, I have numerous pitchforks. Like if you go to daily, I draw it all the way up. Now these are the monthly levels. Weekly, let's go to weekly prices around here. Daily, I draw it up here up to this point. You could see, these are small range candles. Like the prices around that, like it's an indecisive kind of a market. You could see that really. Now we jump to the 1 hour, and this is the pitchfork that's coming up. And let's move to the 50 minute. Like this time around, yeah, 12 o'clock. The price was at a resistance zone. You could see, just a second. This is that tool. Like price had a rejection here. I'll just use the other one. That way it would be easier for you. Normally I use the black and white one so it doesn't affect my eyes. I would encourage other traders to do the same thing because if we are looking at the screen all day long, it's gonna be too much tiring for the eyes and it's not good for the eyesight at all. Like 3 4 That way you can understand. This was a rejection too, and the price was approaching around the same price. So I was like one, two, three. We have more here. Like these were the rejections. I could see. So this level was really crucial for me. That's why I thought, like if the price reaches around that level, I'm going to short. I'm talking about this time. This time around. This was after hours. Like after I traded. Uh, so the price was kind of forming a wedge up here, and then as it was expecting to broke, and this was at the resistance zone, then I just simply placed the market order at 4126, I believe. Like I just placed it around here. I'll just show you. Like here, I placed the market order, and just above this one, above this 41, I think 4132. I put the stop loss. I gave like few pips away. So and my target was around 4115. I just use this number, 4115, because this is a psychological number, and I was expecting the price to come up to this level. If doesn't like in case it just pushes back about to the price like it just did this, right? Otherwise, otherwise it could have moved further down up to this level. I was because I know the market was in range, so I was expecting it like not to reach this level, at least hit this level. That's why I sold it around 4115, and it gave me fair target. So it was a win, and the risk to reward was like 4 to 1 ratio 3, you could say. Yeah, it was a really good trade as well. Like the lot size was heavy in this one. I took the heavy lot because I was pretty sure, this is going to play well. And please like, follow, and subscribe my channel. Obviously, you're gonna see lots of content for the trading, and it will be free of cost. I won't be charging anybody. Most of the traders like myself, I also learn from YouTube, the kind of stuff that I do, and I did read some books as well. And like you need to do some practice, like whosoever wants to be a trader, like he has to do some practice so that you learn on your own. But like at least like if you watch these kind of trade analysis or the trade recaps, I would say, and there you can like look at your trades, the trade that you are taking, and make some adjustments accordingly so that we can all improve. Yeah, nobody can guess the market. Even I'm not, like it just it's being traded on the traders just trade on the possibilities, probabilities, like how much is the probability for this one. Like this was a probable trade, you see the rejection. And I also use this one, like I'll show you, I use the Bollinger Bands to some extent. Like let's move to the, like when I'm taking the entry, the band was kind of converging here, and then once I looked at this thing, these bigger candles, I was expecting it to drop below. So that was the reason. And on the other side, I have this. I use this RSI. I also forgot to tell you one thing about the Google trade that I took. As you could see, here the RSI was falling. You'll see. I just have the magnet tool on, so that's the reason why I'm having some trouble putting this off. You could see. I'll just change it to white so you could see well. Like this was, or maybe I'll just do it red. Just a sec. This was the divergence, clear divergence. and this was there on the 15-minute low. Like afterwards, it was a bigger one. That's why I thought of shorting around here. Like this is the 15-minute chart, and you see the divergence. That was a clear sign of price losing momentum and ultimately falling down. And I was expecting it to come around here. It came fairly close. Like I was expecting it to come 166. Yeah, but this is psychological level to 116.5. But it post market it fall down. It fall down. It went close to that. Even touched that. Like it might. Like I don't have the pre market analysis. Post market, beg pardon. And so it's all for today. I think I covered it all. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.